Hello and welcome to another video in the series on Vedic Math Techniques. This is chapter 3 in the series. In this particular chapter, we'll talk about how to square numbers which end in 5. This video is brought to you by the YouTube channel Unacademy. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. It'll encourage us to make more such videos. I'm Ravi Handa, and I run this website called handakafunda.com. Please visit it as well. So now, I'm sure you'll know how to square numbers ending in 5. The idea is how to do it faster, how to do it better, and probably save time in the exam that you are writing. Or maybe impress people. Well, it can be used for various purposes. So now, if someone asks you, how will you square a number, or how will you square 35 to be specific, this is probably what you do right now. You will write down 35 into 35. Then multiply it individually. 5 into 5 is 5 with a carryover of 2. Then 5 into 3 is 15. 15 and 2 is 17. You will write down 17. Then what will you do? Then you will write down 3 into 5 is, put a cross here. 3 into 5 is 15. So 5, carry over 1. Then 3 into 3 is 9. 9 and 1 is 10. So you will write down 10. And then you will add it all up. Once you add it all up, you will get 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. So 2 carry over 1. And then 1 and 1 is 2. And 1225 will be your answer. As you can see, this method takes a lot of time. Is there a simpler way to do this? Yes. And that is the simpler way. That is what we are going to learn today. So 5, what is the square of 5? I guess you know that it is 25. Now, if you have to square any number which is ending in 5, and I have 5 examples here, the last 2 digits for all of them will be 25. So whatever is the square of 15 will end in 25, square of 35 will end in 25, square of 115 will end in 25, even the square of 1995, this bigger number, this will also end in 25. The idea is, what will be the first part? Well, whatever is your number before, so that is 1 here, multiply it with the next number, next in line. So next in line is 2. 1 into 2 is 2. So my answer will be 225. You have a 3 here. 3, the next number is 4. 3 into 4 is 12. So this will be 1225. As you can see how quickly we got this 1225 compared to this long and tedious method. Well, that is the trick and that is the key. Same thing here, 115. Number before 5 is 11. Now I need to do 11 into the next number. 11 into 12. That gives me 132. So this becomes 13225. See how quickly you are getting the answers. That is the key. That is the magic of numbers, if I may say so. Same thing here, 1995. Now this is slightly more difficult because the number is bigger. It will get slightly complicated as it gets bigger. But it will always be shorter than this method. So what will happen here? 199. 199 into the next number 200. What is 199 into 200? 199 into 2 is 398. And if it was 200, it will be 39800. And that's it. That is your answer. 1995 whole square is 3980025. See how quickly we were able to calculate it. And that is the idea, guys. Well, some of you might be wondering what is the logic behind it. Let me tell you that also. So let's say if my number which is ending in 5 is, let's say, x5. Now if you have the number as x5, x could be a 1-digit number, 2-digit number, whatever. I can also write this as 10x plus 5. Well, if you had 37, 37 can be written as 30 plus 7. If you had 4932, that can be written as 4930, or 10 times the first part, 493 plus 2. That is what I am doing here. I have x5, 10 times the first part plus 5, and I am trying to find out the square of it. Now when I am trying to find out the square of it, what is a plus b whole square? A plus b whole square is a square. So that becomes 100x square plus 2ab. That is 2 into 10x into 5, which will be 100x plus 5 square, or plus 25. Now, If I take 100x common from the first two terms, what will I get? I'll get 100x as common and I will be left with x from the first term and 1 from the second term plus 25. This is the same 25 which comes here. Now if you notice 100 into some number, what can that be? So that is essentially whatever is that sum number, that is x into x plus 1 here, followed by 0, 0. And then I am adding a 25 to it. So what will I get? Whatever is that first part of the number, that is x into x plus 1, which was earlier followed by 0, 0. Now since 25 is added to it, it will be followed by 25. And that is what we had here. Look at it a little more carefully. X into x plus 1. Whatever is the first part of the number into the next one. So if it was x was 11, x into x plus 1 will be 11 into 12 or 132 followed by 25. If my x was 3, 3 into the next number, 3 was x, x into x plus 1 would have been 12 followed by 25. And that is the logic why this idea or why this technique works. Hope you enjoyed this tip and this technique. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to like and share this video as well. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.